Polite No's. Mastering Negative Requests in English. Hello and welcome back, English learners. Today, we are going to dive into a fascinating part of English language, polite negative requests. This can be a tricky area for learners, but by the end of this video, you'll be handling it like a pro. Negative requests are a way of asking someone not to do something. They often start with, "Please don't," or, "Could you please not?" However, the challenge is to frame these requests in a way that comes across as polite and respectful. For example, consider these sentences. "Please don't make noise. Could you please not use your phone?" While both are correct English, they could seem a bit direct or even harsh to some listeners. Let's find out how to make them sound more polite. Adding words or phrases that soften the request can make it more polite. One common strategy is to use "could" or "would you mind" in the request. The word "possibly" can also add a level of politeness. Here are our previous examples made more polite. "Could you possibly keep the noise down, please? Would you mind not using your phone?" Notice how these requests sound less direct and more respectful. Different situations may call for different ways of making negative requests. Let's take a look at a few scenarios. 1. In a library. "Would it be possible to use headphones for your music, please? Instead of, don't play music out loud." 2. At a dinner party. "Could I ask you to refrain from smoking here, please? Instead of, don't smoke here." Remember, the key to polite negative requests is softening your language and showing respect to the listener. And that's it for today's lesson on polite negative requests. Remember, being polite often means being indirect in English, especially when making requests. With a bit of practice, you'll soon be making negative requests that are not just correct, but also polite and respectful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.